Struggling to keep your stock organized? Discover the best inventory management solutions that can streamline your operations, boost efficiency, and save you money. From cutting-edge software to essential strategies, find out that what works best for your business and take control of your inventory today. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you which platform is the best inventory management software. So we have the first one, which is Zoho.com. Then we have here Secure.com. We have here also Odoo.com, Sortly.com, and Bittrex24.com. So let's choose the one it's better. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video. And in this video we will just select which platform is better. So the first one, which is Zoho.com. So Zoho offers a comprehensive suite of over 45 integrated applications, making it a one-stop solution for various business needs. Its user-friendly interface and customizable features ensure quick adoption and tailored functionality with competitive pricing and cloud-based access. It's accessible for businesses of all sizes. Plus, robust customer support helps users maximize their experience effortlessly. Then we have another platform, which is Square, as you can see. So here we have Square offers a user-friendly platform for easy payment processing and business management. Its comprehensive tools cover everything from invoicing to inventory management, all accessible via mobile. With transparent pricing and no hidden fees, businesses can easily manage costs. Plus, robust analytics provide valuable insights to drive growth and improve decision making. So to get started, you click over here. And we have here powering all the ways you do business. Work smarter, automate for efficiency, and open up new revenue streams on the software and hardware platform millions of businesses trust. So once you click over get started, you will find these pages. You can see you have just to create an account. Signing up for Square is fast and free. No commitments or long-term contracts required. So you have just to write your email address, your password. Then you have to choose your local. Then you click over agree to the terms if you want. Then you click over continue and you will find other page, which is the platform of Square. Then we have here Odoo.com. So Odoo provides an all-in-one solution with a comprehensive suite of applications for CRM, accounting, inventory, and more. Its customizable modules allow businesses to tailor the platform to their specific needs. With a user-friendly interface, Odoo ensures quick onboarding and easy navigation. Plus, its scalable design makes it suitable for businesses of all sizes, enhancing productivity as you grow. So this is for Odoo, and to get started you have just to click over try for free and you'll find other page, which is this one. You have to choose your apps, free instant access, no credit card required. So you choose the website that you want. You have commerce, learning, a live shot. Then we have here sales, visit CRM, sales, invoicing, sign. Then we have here point of sale, restaurant, and subscriptions as well, rental, file service. Then we have here operations as well. For example, we have accounting, knowledge, project, timesheet, and we have help desk, inventory, purchase documents as well. Then we have manufacturing, like we have PLM, we have repair, maintenance, quality. Then we have here marketing, like email marketing, SMS, survey. Then we have human resources, customizations as well. So this is how you can sign in up. And right now we have then this one, which is Sortly. So Sortly features a user-friendly interface that simplifies inventory management with feature catalogs and customizable labels. Its mobile apps allow for on-the-go tracking, making it convenient for businesses with flexible organization options. Users can tailor the system to meet their specific inventory needs. So to get started, you click over Start a Free Trial and you'll find this page. As you can see, you will have never lose track of an item. Again, simple, fast, and powerful inventory software for businesses and teams to stay organized. You click over sign up with Google, or you can use other option, which is write your full name, your work email, and you create a password with 8 characters, and you click over create an account. So this is how you can get started with Sortly. Then we have the last one, which is Bittrex24. So about this one, Bittrex24 provides a comprehensive suite of tools combining CRM, project management, and communication features in one platform. Its user-friendly interface enhances team collaboration and productivity, making workflows smoother with a flexible pricing model, including a free version. It caters to businesses of all sizes. So to get started, you have just to click over start for free and you will find this page. You have just to write your email address and you select that you are not a robot. Then we have here in the left your company United free unlimited online. Register today and get free forever plan and unlimited users. Also you can choose if you want English and other languages as well. So about the pricing of Bittrex, we have here it's absolutely for free, as you can see. So we have here 100% is free. We have a limited users 5 GB as well. Then we have here Saltly. So about the pricing we have here, it's absolutely for free, best for getting started. We have 100 unique items, 1 user license as well. Then we have here Odo. About this one, you have just to click over pricing here to know it. Then we have here for one up only unlimited users Auto online, start on online. Then we have here Square, and about the pricing, here we find that's for free also. So as you can see, we have plans for every stage. We have to pick a just free, plus, and premium. So we have here sell in person, online, over the phone, or out in the field. No setup fees or monthly fees. Only pay when you take a payment. It's absolutely for free, plus processing fees. So you can just get started free. And this is for Square also. And oh, if I had to pick one, Zoho would be the best overall choice for its comprehensive sort of integrated applications that cater to various business needs, including CRM, project management, and finance. It's versatile, customizable, and suitable for businesses of all sizes. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. See you again in the next video.